Recent storms in the valley have led to measurable rain, resulting in flooding, water rescues, and flight delays at Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport. The rain started late Monday night and continued throughout Tuesday, with more expected on Wednesday. The West Valley saw the most rain, leading to flooded roadways and water rescues. Some roads in the far West Valley were shut down due to flooding. The FAA issued ground delays at the airport on Tuesday and Wednesday, with delays averaging about 40 minutes. Over 100 flights were delayed. The Maricopa County Flood Control District reported rainfall totals across the valley, with some areas receiving over 2 inches. The storms are also expected to worsen mosquito conditions.